Did you see what he just did? Wait, no about me.
Honestly.
Wait, no about me. I need a phone still. Just last week my fishing on battery. Anywho, that is another matter for... iPhone don't have battery?
No.
It do?
No.
Tell us
Bill
what
saying.
Tell us what them change on it. All right, let's talk about that afterwards. Sound good, guys?
Yes.
Yes.
Great.
All right. So the number of Jamaican YouTubers now utilizing the platform for sharing content and making money, it is growing quickly. And in some cases, they're making more money than they were making before. I've got two of the leading stars here in Jamaica, Rush Cam Campbell. Sorry about that. I know you don't really like that. And Tanania Tracy. Two of our personalities who are making it big. Well, Rush is already there. Tanania is making her introduction next week. Everybody look out for her there on YouTube. Was that a secret?
True.
No.
It wasn't a secret?
No.
I'm giving the people the heads up.
Yeah.
All right. So you guys, Rush, let me start with you. At 22,000 subscribers.
Yes.
Left your good lawyer work.
Yes. And in the span of a year, I've gained 22,000 subscribers.
Any regrets?
No regrets. My only regret is probably that I didn't start earlier.
Wow.
Yeah. I probably should have even been juggling it while I was still working, but no regrets, none.
So how did you know this was the field for you? Obviously, you were always a colorful personality.
Yeah, and let me tell you, Simona used to blog, write, and them never read the blog, because them say, we're not seeing your personality, and then somebody was like, why don't you start YouTube? And I say, you know what, let me just try a thing. And then people are like, oh yeah, nice, and I had 100 subscribers, and Simone, I'm happy.
Big deal.
Big deal. 100 people can't even fit in this room. So I was like so excited, and then I just continued to create content over time, and
Now, when did you know it was time to say, okay, I'm going to leave this legal profession and do this as a job?
Two things. One, God spoke to me, no lie.
I
had that pull from God, and also I just knew that strategically for me to start to take it to the next level, I'd have to commit more time and energy to it. So, yeah.
And you do it all? You edit your stuff, you write your stuff?
Yes, edit.
And it's not easy work.
It is not.
Yeah.
It is not. And there are people who went to school to learn how to edit video, and I just sat down there and I used YouTube and taught myself to make videos for YouTube. See me there? Hey.
Yeah. Look at you.
Yeah.
Oh. Okay, I don't want to know what you're saying, but just looking at your face, it's entertaining enough. Tanana, you are a nurse.
Yes, I am.
And then what happened?
Just like Rush, I think God spoke to me, and I decided after 1 year that it just wasn't my calling, and I decided to go into business for myself.
Right.
Yeah, so going into business, it had me becoming an entrepreneur. I realized after making friends with Rush Cam and Quiet Perry that
Hi, Quiet.
we really that we really meshed well, and people love seeing us together. So I started appearing in their videos on YouTube, and that's that.
The rest is history.
Right.
Where are you, girl?
Yeah.
So what's going to happen with your what is your plan for your page, for your, what are we going to be treated to there?
All right, so basically I've always seen my followers asking me, oh my God, could you tell me about fashion? Could you do hauls with them? Have my best friend rate my outfit? Could you give us some business advice? Because I realize that's the biggest topic now. People want to hear about business, how to start business, how to operate and run a business.
Which is something you can tell them because you've lived it.
Yes, because I've lived it and I'm currently living it as well.
And you know what's funny is that people look at you guys and you're so hilarious, they don't realize that you're grounded in like serious stuff. Like you are an entrepreneur, you are a trained corporate lawyer, right?
Yes.
But you opt to do something that gives you more fulfillment.
Right.
Yes.
Yeah.
And creativity, people don't know also that creativity is grounded in intelligence.
Yes,
like
absolutely. Your material.
And I need people to understand that you don't have to only be one thing. It's okay to be more than one thing. That's really fine.
So we have a minute to wrap. What is your word to the people who feel like they have this pull and they're stuck somewhere where they don't want to be?
Follow your heart, go with the flow. Go with the flow.
See what you did.
Go with the
High
flow.
five, don't leave me hanging.
Yeah, man. Yeah. Okay. Go with the flow and do what feels right. And to thine own self be true.
And don't make nobody laugh after you, like how you find them to laugh after you and say, oh, Russia do.
Yeah, no,
going to be a
look
what?
at them now.
A YouTube.
Yeah, but seriously.
Yeah, but look at you now. Your words of advice.
I mean, my words of advice are more similar to Rush's. It's just about living for yourself, not really for what people are saying or whatever. Just be true to yourself.
Yeah.
Follow your own journey. Sometimes you're not sure what it is, and it's okay to start over. It's okay to be unsure as well.
Yes.
That's where you find yourself a lot of times in uncertainty.
I want to say hallelujah.
Hallelujah.
Because that is a preaching lesson.
Can I get a now?
That I'm going to hold on to even for myself.
Amen.
Yes.
What space of YouTube where we find you?
Rushcam.
That's it?
On all socials,
Yes.
Rushcam.
Okay.
Yes.
And?
At Tanania on Instagram and soon to be on YouTube as well.
All right. T-A-N-A-A.
N-I-A.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you guys. All the best.
Thanks for
Thank
having
you.
me.
Lots of followers and lots of money is my wish for you.
Hallelujah, sister.
Oh, from the lips to God's ears. We're wrapping things up early right after this. Soon come back.
Fun.